Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how the Sass maps will work in your project. So the finally thing I want to cover in the chapter is Sass maps. We looked at the Sass map when we looked at the conditional in the chapter 3, but it is only worth looking at some of our more complicated things we can achieve with them. Sass maps come with a range of functions to help work with the list of key values parts. However, the most useful functions is probably the map get. Actually, I'm gonna write here with the underscore. This is our map get function. This function lets us fetch the value from our map based on its key. Let's use the map we employed in the video 3 to define our color palette for our site. In that example, we use the each conditional to loop through our key value pairs. However, we can use map get at any time to extract the value we need. Like I'm gonna repeat this pages variable and then pass the home with the color of F7E900, and then for the about we need to add small curly braces here. And then I'm gonna add a second color value of FF5F09, and then news should be A0005E, and then links should be 410048. So now I'm gonna add a map here within the class which called news. I'm gonna add a background color here, and then map get should give you the value of the pages variable and then news. So if you want to get the color, I had a mistake here, forget the semicolon here, so and add a semicolon here and then save this. Oh, I'm getting an error while generating our CSS. Actually, we have written here variable because we need to add here a hashtag sign. So here we have generated our color with the map get. For example, I'm gonna pass here some links, and it will automatically generate our links code in the production. So that is how you can work with the map get. So these are all series about color palettes that you can manage or customize the bootstrap for, and we will definitely create the lectures about the complete website series where we can create the combination with the grunt and sass and c and js minification concatenation plugin, all the courses that we have covered in this channel. We will definitely create a complete website series with the um, within no time. We will definitely speed up your development, and that is how these things will work. So you can also visit my channel and subscribe my channel, and you can explore more than multiple languages that we have already covered. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates, and see you guys in my next video series.